Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper of Stage 2, Shift-2, which was held on 10th of November 2024. So we'll start from class 5th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. In question number first, which one of the following is not a quality of good source of energy? So we have to select which is not a quality of good source of energy. Optimum heat production per unit volume per unit mass used. This is a quality of good energy source. So this is not our correct answer. Easy to transport. This is also a quality of good source. Least polluting. This is also a quality of good source. Expensive. No. Good quality source of energy should not be expensive. So our correct answer is option D. Next question number 2, which is a true-false question. Let us check which statement is true and which is false. Okay. Sliding friction has more value of friction than rolling. This is a true statement. Sliding friction is more than rolling friction. That's why it is advised to roll heavy objects rather than to slide. Friction is that type of force which enhances the motion of an object on the surface of the other object. That is a false statement because friction opposes the relative motion. Force applied on an object can change shape and size of object. Definitely our force can change the shape and size of object. This is a true statement. So correct code is true, false, true. That is option C is our correct answer. Okay. Next question number 3, which is match the following question. Coal. We know that coal is a conventional source of energy. So for P I will write 2. Biomass. Biomass is non-conventional source of energy. So for Q I will write 3. Kinetic energy we see present in moving objects. So for R I will write 1. Tidal energy which is produced from the ocean currents. So for S I will write 4. Correct code is 2314. That means option D is our correct answer. Next question number 4, which is based on paragraph. Question number 4 and 5 both are based on paragraph. There is a situation given and on the basis of which question is asked, what is the use of ball bearing in moving vehicles? It increases the value of friction. No, this is false. Ball bearing reduces the friction. That's why they are used. It converts sliding friction into rolling friction. This is a true statement. It reduces the motion of the vehicle. No. It converts rolling friction to sliding friction. No. So option B is our correct answer. Okay. Next question number 5 based on same paragraph. Grooves are made in the shoes of players and athletes to blank space friction and blank space slipping. So grooves are made in the shoes of players and athletes to increase the friction to avoid slipping. Okay. So for this blank I will write to increase and avoid slipping. That means prevent. That means option B is our correct answer. Okay. Next question number 6 and 7 may have more than one correct answer. So let us check which of the following is oblique R are non-renewable sources of energy. As we can see, natural gas, coal, nuclear energy and hydrocarbon gas, all 4 are non-renewable form of source. So these all 4 options are our correct answer. Next question number 7. Which of the following is oblique R examples of balanced force? Balanced force means net force becomes 0. A person holding a briefcase in his hand. This is true. Example of balanced force. A book resting on a table. This is also example of balanced force. A car parked on a roadside. This is also example of balanced force. A stone dropped from a building. No, this is not an example of balanced force because the stone is doing motion. Okay, so this is incorrect. So option A, B and C are our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then you can click on Ask a Doubt button which is provided on your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 5th which was conducted on 10th of November 2024. Let's see the question. So the first question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false? First statement is, liquids are not compressible and cannot be squeezed into smaller shapes. Yes, it is completely true statements because gases are compressible, not the liquids. So the first statement is true statement. Next, second is Gaseous particles move faster than particles in solids and liquid. It is also true statement. We know that there are the three types of the substances: solid, liquid and gas. The forces of attraction between the atoms is highest in the solid compared to liquid and gas, and we can say lowest in the gaseous particles. So because of that less interatomic forces of attraction, gas particles move faster than solids and liquids. So this is completely a true statement. Now the next is the process of changing a solid into a liquid is called melting. Yes, it is completely a right statement. So the option first, second and third, all the three are true statements. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So let's see the column first. In the column first P is global warming, Q is CO2, R is acid rain and the S is soil erosion. Next, in the column second, first, reduce the quality of soil. We know that by the soil erosion, we reduce the quality of the soil. By the soil erosion, the quality of soil is reduced. So the option S match with first. Now let's see the next, damage of aquatic life. Okay, by the acid rain. In the acid rain, there are different acids are present. Like in the acid rains, oxides of nitrogen and sulfurs are present. If we're talking about the oxides of nitrogen, like nitric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, these oxides when combined with water, so they create the different type of the acids. Like when SO2 combined with water, it creates sulfurous acid, and when SO3 react with water, it produce sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So these type of acids are generated or created in the acid rain. So these acids can damage the aquatic life or different we can say that different places also. So the R match with second option. R match with second option. Okay, now let's see the next, rise in sea level. Yes, because of the global warming, the ices are melted. So because of that, the sea level is increased. So the third is matched with P. Third is matched with P. Last is the greenhouse effect. There are the different type of the gases which are responsible for the greenhouse effect, and that gases are like carbon dioxide, methane. So CO2 is matched with the greenhouse effect. So Q match with fourth. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. So the C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, look at the given picture carefully. Okay, now let's see the picture. In this picture, there is one river, and in that river, some wastage from the factory is added from here. Okay, so it means here the R is the clean water, but after this water is impure, or we can say this water becomes polluted. Now let's see the question. Some local residents wanted to collect the water from the river of the consumption at home. From which part of the river, R, S, T or U, will the water be safest to consume? So the R is the part. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, which of the following is the chemical treatment process of the wastewater treatment? Okay, now let's see the first. First is the sedimentation process. Sedimentation process is a process by which we can easily separate the sand from the water, or like these type of the substances. But this is not a chemical process, this is a physical process. So the option A is the wrong option. Now next is the neutralization. Yes, neutralization is a chemical reaction. We know that when we add any acid in the base, then salt plus water is formed, and this type of reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. Means the chemical reaction takes place in the neutralization process. So this is a chemical process. Next is the aeration. Aeration is also a biological process, and it is not a chemical process. So this is also a wrong statement, and all of this means the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. The next is, study the given flow chart. Okay, now let's see. Here is one object, definite volume. L have not a definite volume, means L is a gas, because gases have no definite volume and not a definite shape. Now the next is M is a substance which have the definite volume but not the definite shape. So it is a liquid substance. And if we're talking about the N, so the N substance have definite volume with definite shape. So N may be a solid. Now let's see the question. Which of the following option correctly identifies the examples that belong to L, M and A? Now let's see the example. L, hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas, so it might be the right option. M is juice, yes, it is liquid. And N is urine. Urine is also present in the liquid form, but it is there the N is solid substance, so it is a wrong option. Now next is a L is nitrogen, yes, it is a gas. M is urine, it is a liquid. And N is stable, yes, it is a solid substance. Now the next is L is hydrogen, it is a gas. Alcohol is also liquid and chair is solid, so it is also a right option. Next is L is nitrogen, yes, it is gas. M is curd, curd is liquid in nature. And stapler is solid in nature. It means the B, C and D are the right option for this question. Now next is, at which point the temperature will not be 100 degree. Okay, now let's see the diagram. In this diagram, the water is here and we heat the water, then it becomes converted into vapor. And in this condition, only in this condition, the temperature is around 100 degree. Okay, after that, at here, the vapor is condensed and it is again converted into the water. So the temperature is here is less than 100 degree. Okay, and here is also less than 100 degree. Now let's see the question. At which point the temperature will not be 100 degree? At only Y point it is 100 degree. At Z point and at X point it is not 100 degree, it is lesser than 100 degree. So that at X point, yes, it is less than 100 degree. At Y point it is 100, so it is not the right option. Now the Z is also, and none of this. It means A and C are the right option for this question. Thank you. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is an option, ask a doubt. And for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can join our WhatsApp channel also, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th biology in Shift-2. Let's start first question. Virus which infect bacterial cell are called. First, bacteriophage, second, phycophage, next, cyanophage, and last, mycophage. Option A is correct because bacteriophage, bacteriophage, bacterial eater virus. Right option is A. Next, which of the following statements are true and false? True and false. Cornea is a layer of light-sensitive receptor and it sends messages to the brain through optic nerve. Next, cerebrum is the largest part of brain. That is right. Midbrain, pons and medulla are part of brain stem. That is right. But pon and medulla include in hindbrain, but brainstem include midbrain. So according to statement, cornea is part that this one, but retina transfer signal to brain. So this one is false, this true and true. option D is correct answer for this. Next, match column first and second, and correct answer for this: incisor, cutting teeth; canine, tearing teeth; premolar, grinding teeth; and molar, also grinding teeth, but number of premolar and molar is different. Premolar is 8 and molar is 12. So, according to this matching, our right answer is option C. Option C, 3, 4, 2, 1 is right for this question. Next, 17th question. Two friends Shruti and Surbhi visited a general physician for their respective deficiency disease. Going for checkup for deficiency disease. Deficiency mean malnutrition. Deficiency mean so many, lack of mineral, so many things, but deficiency disease. Doctor examined them and prepared a chart. Name of patient Shruti: pain in bone of arm and leg; consumption of milk product, fish and egg. Surbhi: difficulty in swallowing and breathing, and consumption of iodized salt and seafood. Study the given chart carefully and select the correct option. Now start. Surbhi suffering from mineral deficiency because iodine salt that relate to this, and Shruti fish bone, leg, that is related to vitamin deficiency. So infected person healthy. So according to this chart, Surbhi suffering from mineral and Shruti suffering from vitamin. So D is the correct option for this, because hemoglobin not related in this chart, and infected person to healthy person, that is not related to each other, and suffering from disease which can be eradicated by vaccination, that is not related in this chart and symptom. So A, B, C not relate, but D is related for this chart. So option D is correct for this. Next question is, which of the following is not a function of skeletal system? Storing mineral, producing hormone, protecting organ, facilitating movement. Storing right, protecting right, facilitating movement right, but producing hormone is wrong. Not a function of skeletal system. Option B is correct. Next question is, refer to the given flow chart and select the incorrect statement. Communicable disease, no, caused due to nutrient deficiency and caused by virus, S. P can be night blindness, a disorder in which a person has difficulty seeing in dim light. P, caused by nutrient deficiency, but say no, so that is incorrect. Q can be arthritis, Q can be arthritis can be transmitted from infected person to healthy one, but not transfer infected to healthy one. So, wrong. R can be plague that is spread by rat. R can be caused by virus. No. Transfer by plague, spread by rat. So, right. S can be malaria caused by virus. No, that is wrong. Caused by protozoa. So, A, B, D is correct answer for this question, because in question say incorrect statement. A, B, D is incorrect statement. So, right answer is A, B and D. Next question is, observe the picture. Which system of boy's body are involved in helping him to escape? This is dog that bark, and this one to save and defense from dog. Observe the picture, and which system help him to escape? Skeletal system, because bone present in endosystem and that help for escaping. Muscular system, circulatory system and respiratory system. So A, B, C, D all are included in this term. So A, B, C, D is right option for this condition. These are the all solution for class 5th biology. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 5th stage 2 for math subjects. So let's start. So here we have question number 21st, that is, which child has the greatest volume? So here we have given 3 child, that is Maria, Jake and Chan. So we have to find the volume. And Maria says this first. If I talk about Maria says that she having a shape and length is 8 cube, width is 1 cube and height is 4 cube. So we know volume, that is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So here 8 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32 cube unit. If I talk about Jake says that my shape has length 3 cube, width 6 cube and height 2 cube. So I can say that 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. So 6 3 ja 18, 18 multiplied by 2, that is 36. Now if I talk about Chan, he says that my shape has length 4 cube, width 3 cube and height 2 cube. It means 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 4 3 ja 12. 12 multiplied by 2, that is 24. Now question is that which child has the greatest volume? So here Jake has the greatest volume. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now next question is that a diagram of 3-dimensional figure is shown below. So here we have given a 3-dimensional figure and we have to find out the volume of whole diagram. So first, if I cut from here, then the whole diagram is divided into 2 parts. Here we have given 1 cuboid and here we have given 1 cuboid, and we have to find the volume. So I can say that volume is equal to volume of 1 plus volume of second. So we know the formula of volume, that is length multiply breadth multiply height plus length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So here if I talk about first one, we have given height, that is 6 multiplied by breadth, here we have 3, and if I talk about that is 2, plus if I talk about second one, this is the second. If I talk about second one, here we have given length that is, the total that is 7, and this one is the 3, and the remaining the length that is the 4. So I can say that 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by height we have given 1. Simple, if I multiply here, so here I get 6 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. So 36 plus 8 is equal to 44. 44 we have given in centimeter, so 44 centimeter cube. So the volume, that is the whole 3-dimensional figure, is 44 centimeter cube. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Lizzie's rectangle has a perimeter of 22 inch. Alex rectangle is 1 inch taller and 2 inch narrow than Lizzie's. So we have to find the perimeter of Alex. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of Alex rectangle. So first we know perimeter of Lizzie's, that is given 22 inch. We know the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 bracket length plus breadth is equal to 22. So here the sum of length plus breadth we have given 11. So let's assume this is the equation number first. Now if I talk about Alex rectangle's perimeter, so perimeter of Alex rectangle, that is again 2 bracket, here we have given 1 inch taller. 1 inch taller, it means length plus 1, and 2 inch narrow. 2 inch narrow, it means breadth minus 2. So I can write here 2 bracket length plus breadth minus 1. So here the value of length plus breadth, that is given 11. So here 2 bracket 11 minus 1. So here I get 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20 inch, which is the perimeter of Alex rectangle. So 20 inch, here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the dot grid below. Each dot is 1 unit from its nearest horizontal and vertical neighbor. Find the area of shaded region on the grid below. So here we have a grid and 1 unit from its nearest horizontal and vertical neighbor. It means here we have horizontal distance, that is 1 unit, and we have a vertical distance, that is 1 unit. So here we have to first find how many squares are formed in the shaded region. Okay, so let's connect it. So here we have 1 square. If I merge here, then we form 2. If I merge here, we form 3. Now if I connect here, if I connect again, and if I connect again here, if I connect here, if I connect here, if I connect here, and if I connect here, then the total number of squares here we have, that is 9 square. Okay, and we know area of square, that is side square, and side is, here we have given 1 unit. Okay, so if I 1 square, that is 1. So we have to find the area of shaded region. So I can write here area of shaded region is equal to 9 multiply area of 1 square. So 9 multiplied by 1, that is 9 square unit. So check which option is correct. So 9 square unit here. So here option 1B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is a full moon occurs every 30 days. If the last full moon occurs on Friday, then how many days will pass before the full moon occurs again on Friday? Again on Friday. So we know full moon occurs every 30 days. Okay, and Friday to Friday we have in a week, that is 7 days. So if I take LCM of these two numbers, then we get here 210 days. It means the next full moon occur after the 210 days. So 210 days, here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 18 and 30 leaves remainder 4 in each case, but it is completely divisible by 7. So here we have given two conditions, that is we have to find the least number which leaves remainder 4 in each case, and second condition is that and with that number is completely divisible by 7. So first we take LCM, so I can say that we take LCM of 12, 16, 18 and 30. So we know the LCM of 12, 16, 18 and 30, that is we have given 70, 720. So now now we have to find the completely divisible by 7. So let's assume we have a number that is x. So I can say that the case that we have to form here 720k plus 4, and we have to put the value of k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and check which number is completely divisible by 7. Okay, now if I put the value of k here 4, then I can say that 720 multiplied by 4 plus 4. So here 0, 8 and 7 4 ja 28. If I add 4 here, so here I get answer that is 2884. That is the least number which is divisible by 7. So here 2884. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is a number when divided by 156 gives 29 is a remainder. If the same number divided by 13, then what will be the remainder? So here we have a number. If we divided this number to 156, then we gives 29 as a remainder. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So the number that is dividend is equal to divisor we have given 156, and let's assume the quotient will be x and multiply by remainder that is 29. So here I can say that 156 can be break into two parts, that is 12 multiplied by 13 multiplied by x, and the 29 I can break here 26 plus 3. I can write here 29 in the form of 26 plus 3. So now I can say that divisor is equal to 12 multiplied by 13 multiplied by x, plus I can write here 13 multiplied by 2 plus 3. So here if I take 13 common, so I can say that 13 if I take common, so here 12x plus 2 plus 3. So the next question is that if the same number is divided by 13, it means the same number it divided by 13, then here we get remainder that is 3. So where is 3? Here, so option number B is the correct answer. So next question is that how many 3-digit numbers are there in between 100 to 300 having first and last digit as 2? Having first and last digit as 2. So let's assume we have 3-digit number and we having here first digit that is 2 and last digit that is 2. Okay, so the number is 202 first, the second number is 212, third number is 222 and last then 232, 242, 252, 262, 272 and 282 and 292. So count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, consider the image below and classify the angles as acute and obtuse. So if I check here, so this one is the acute angle, so I can write here acute angle. This one is the obtuse angle. Here this one is the acute angle, this one is the obtuse angle, this one is the obtuse angle, and this one is the obtuse angle, this one is the acute angle. So how many acute angles there are here? 1, 2, 3. So acute angle here we have 4, so this one is not possible. Here we have more than 3, so this is not possible. Here we have 3, so I can say that this one. So here option number C is the correct answer, because here we have 4 obtuse angle. Okay. So now if I talk about next question, that is Jignesh is drawing an angle of measure 80 degree. His part of work is shown below. So which of the following shows the complete drawing? So Jignesh start from here. So we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It means the angle formed in here. So this is the angle that is 80 degree. So check which option is correct. Here we have 80 degree, but this is not correct. Here we have 80 degree, yes. So here I can say that option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given again 3 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, a right triangle has one angle that is 90 degree. Yes, this one is true because a right angle triangle having one angle that is 90 degree. An isosceles triangle has 3 equal sides. No, the equilateral triangle having 3 equal sides. So I can say this one is false. If I talk about third one, that is the midpoint of a line segment divides it into 2 equal parts. Suppose that we have a line segment and that this is the midpoint, so I can say this part and this part having the same length. So this is true. So TFT. So where is TFT? So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given first statement, that is the LCM of 2 number is always greater than or equal to the largest number. So suppose that we have a number that is 3 and we have another number that is 5. So if I take LCM, that is we get 15. So 15 is the LCM that is greater than this number. Again if I take a number that is 4 and 8. So here we get LCM that is 8. So I can say that this one is the greater or equal to that number. So I can say that this one is the true. If a number is divisible by both 6 and 8, it must be the divisible by 24. Yes, this one is also true. The LCM of 2 number is always greater than or equal to their HCF. The LCM of 2 number is always greater than or equal to their HCF. So I can say they're always greater than or equal to, yes, this one is also true. So true. So true. So yeah, I can say option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which of the following statement are true or false. So here again we have given 3 statements and we have to find out which one is true and which one is false. So first is multiplying a number by 1 always gives result equal to the original number. Yes, this if I multiply 5 with 1, then I get original number that is 5. So I can say this one is true. Now second statement, that is identity property of addition state that the addition 0 to any number result is the same number. Yes, this one is also true. Let's assume a number 8. If I add 0 here, so here I get answer that is 8. So I can say this one is true. Third statement, that is adding fractions required to the denominator to be the same. Yes. This one is also true. So true. So true. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the true or false statements. So again we have given 3 statements, and statement number 1, that each if 2 objects have the same volume, they must have the same shape. So it is not compulsory that 2 objects having the same volume, then their shape must be same. So I can say this one is false. If you double the dimensions of a solid object, then the volume will also be doubled. No, this one is also wrong. So I can say this one is false. The volume of a cube can be measured in cubic centimeter, cubic meter or liters depending on the size of the cube. Yes, this one is true. So FFT. So where is FFT? So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2, and we have to solve it. So first if I talk about P, that is the sum of first 3 common multiple of 3, 4 and 9. So first we have to find the LCM of 3, 4 and 9. So take 3 here, so I can say 1, 4 and 3. If I can take here, so 1, 4, 3. If I take here 4, then 1, 1, 1. So 4 3 is 12 and 12 3 is 36. So I can say the first is 36 and second is 72 and third is 108. So if I add all these numbers, so here I get 8 to 10, 10 or 6, 16. Carry 1. 7, 10 and 1, 11. Carry 1, 216. It means P is connected to 2. So I can write here P is connected to 2. If I talk about Q, that is the LCM of 87 and 145. So if I talk about Q1, we have to find the LCM of 87 and 145. So here 87 and here 145. We have to find LCM. Then first we take 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 9 ja 27. Here 4 3 ja 12. So here I can write here 145. So again, if I take 5, then here I get 29, and 5 2 ja 10 and 29. If I take here 29, then 1 comma 1. So the LCM, that is 29 multiply 5 multiply by 3. So here 29 multiply by 15. So simply if I multiply here, so 9 5 ja 45, carry 5 carry 4, and 9 1 ja 9, 5 2 ja 10, 19, 19 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1. So 2 1 3 3 5. So 3 3 5, where is 3 3 5? So 2 or 1 1 or 2 4 3 5, right? So it means Q is connected to 1. So here Q is connected to 1. If I talk about R, the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 36, 45 and 63. For smallest number, we have to find the LCM again. So if I talk about R, we have to find the LCM of 36, 45 and 63. So here again we take first 3, then here we get 12, here we get 15, here we get 21. If I take 3, so here we get 4, 5 and 7. So 7 5 ja 35 and 35 4 ja 140. 140 multiplied by 9. So 140 multiplied by 9, that is 9 0. 9 4 ja 36, carry 6 3, and here we get 12 6 0. So 12 6 0, where is it? Means R is connected to 2. So here R is connected to 2. Now if I talk about S, that is the largest common multiple of 8 and 12, that is less than 20. We have to find the common multiple of 8 and 12. We know the common multiple of 8 and 12, that is first we have to find the LCM. If I take here 4, then 2 and 3, 3 2 just 6 and 6 4 just 24. The first common multiple is 24, and we have to find the largest, that is 192. It means S is connected to 3. So here we can say that P is connected to 2, and Q is connected to 1, and R is connected to 4, and S is connected to 3. So 2 1 4 3. So 2 1 4 3. Here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 in select the correct answer using the code given below. So using the number line we have provided. So here we have a number line, and we have to column 1 and we have to column 2, and we have to solve it. So first P, that is we have given here, name the point that is the midpoint of AE. So where is A? Here. And where is E? Here. So we have to find the midpoint. Midpoint is, that is C. It means where is C? Here. It means P is connected to 4. So I write here P is connected to 4. If I talk about Q, that is name the point that is the end point of L segment of length 5. And if the other end point is G, so where is G? Here. And we have length that is 5 units. So if I count here 1 2 3 4 5, and the end point that is B. So where is B? Here. It means Q is connected to 2. It means Q is connected to 2. If I talk about third, name the point that has a distance from B. That has a distance from B. Where is B? Here, which is equal to the 3 times of AC. So if here we have AC distance, that is 2 units, and if I multiply here, that is given 6. So we have to count 6 units. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we get that is H, and where is H? Here. So it means R is connected to third. So here R is connected to third. If I talk about S, that is name the point that is equidistant from A and G. So A and G, where is A? Here, and G, that is here. So equidistance, if I talk here, so this D is the equidistance. So here we can say that S is connected to 1. So here S is connected to 1. So here the answer, that is 4 2 3 1. So where is 4 2 3 1? Here. So option number B is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given 2 columns, column 1 and column 2, and we have to just simplify column first. So first P, that is we have given 9 minus curly bracket 7 minus 24 divided by 8 plus, so here we know 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12 minus 16. So if I solve here, so I can write here 9 minus 7 minus 24 divided by 12 plus 8, 20, 20 minus 16, that is 4. So here I can say that 9 minus 7 minus 6, that is 9 minus 1, here 8. It means P is connected to third. So here I can say that P is connected to third. So now if I talk about Q1, that is minus 3 multiply by, if I divide this one, so here I get again 3 plus 6 3 ja 18. So minus 3 3. So here I get minus 9 plus 18. So here I get that is plus 9. It means Q is connected to 1. So here Q is connected to 1. If I talk about R, that is this one. So here 17 minus curly bracket 8 divided by 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So here I can say that 17 minus 4, that is 13. So where is 13? It means R is connected to 4. So R is connected to 4. And if I talk about S, that is 5 2 ja 10. So I can write here 10 minus bracket, here we get 3 minus curly bracket 5 minus 2 of 4, it means 8, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7, that is we get 15, and 15 minus 19, then we get minus ka 4, it means minus bracket minus ka 4. Now 10 minus 3 minus bracket 5 plus 4. So 10 minus 3 minus 9. So here I get 10 minus bracket minus 6. So here we get 10 plus 6, that is 16. It means S is connected to 2. So here S is connected to 2. So check which option is correct. So here 3 1 4 2. So 3 1 4 2. Here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on match the shape in column 1 and shape in column 2 and such that they are having the same area. It means they are having the same area, it means they are having the number of same squares. So check count how many squares are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So here we have 16 squares. If I talk about here 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 10 11 12 13 14 15. So here we have 15 squares. If I talk about here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So here we have 14 square. If I talk here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this one 9, and this one 2 10. So here we have 10. Now if I talk about column second, that is first we have 1 2 3 4, so 4 4 8 12 13 14 14. It means P is connected to, where is 14? R. Sorry, it means R is connected to 1. If I talk about second one, 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 10. Here we have 10. 10, that is S is connected to 2. S is connected to 2. If I talk about third one, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 12 13 14 15 16. Here we have 16. It means P is connected to third. So P is connected to third, and remaining we have Q. And if 1 2 3 4 5 5 10 15, so here we have 15. It means Q is connected to fourth. So here Q is connected to fourth. So the correct answer, that is 3 4 1 2. So check where is 3 4 1 2. 3 4 1 2 here. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph. So the paragraph is that if A, B and C each stands for a different single digit from 1 to 9, answer the following. If again we have passage that is, if A, B and C each stands for different single digit from 1 to 9, then answer the following. what is the greatest digit that C could be? What is the greatest digit that C could be? So here we have given A plus B is equal to sum C. It means the sum of A and B we have to get C, and we have to find the greatest digit, that is C. So if I talk about from 1 to 9, the greatest digit, that is 9. So I can say that C 9. So here C could be 9. So here 9, option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again, what is the greatest digit that A could be? So we know A plus B is equal to C, and the greatest digit, if I take here 9, then we can say that A could be 8 and B could be 1. So A could be the 8. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on paragraph, and the paragraph is that Lizzie has drawn all of the rectangle with whole number, side length and perimeter equal to the 12 units. Here we have given perimeter. So perimeter, that is we have given, that is 12 unit, and we know the perimeter, that is the 2 bracket length plus breadth, and that is equal to 12. It means the sum of length and breadth we have given here 6 unit. Okay, and we take question number 1. So here we have to find what is the largest possible area that rectangle that has whole number, side length and perimeter of 12. So here we have to find the what is the largest possible area. So we know the sum of length and breadth, here we have given 6. So what conditions are possible here? So 1 and 5 we can take. We can take 2 and 4. We can take 3 and 3. So if I talk here, so here I get largest possible area, that is here we can take 3 and 3. So if I talk about the area, so we know area is equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Which one is the largest area? So largest area possible, that is the 9 square unit. So here option number A is the correct. So now next question, which is again based on the same paragraph, and the question is that what is the smallest possible area of a rectangle that has whole numbers and side length and perimeter of 12. We know the sum of length and breadth, that is 6. We have to solve this one in previous question. Okay, and we have to find the smallest possible area. So for smallest possible area we have conditions, that is 1 and we take 5, then we get 6. Second, that is 2 and 4, we take 6 here. If I add here, and we take 3 and 3, that is here again we get 6. If we take length and breadth 3 and 3, then we find the largest area, and we have to find the smallest area. For smallest area we take length and breadth, that is 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5, which is the smallest possible area. So I can say the smallest possible area, that is 5 unit square, and option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is paragraph for questions 43 and 44. So read the figure and answer the following questions. So here we have question, that is which of the following is a pair of vertical opposite angles. So we have to find here vertical opposite angles pair. So we can solve this question with the help of options. Okay, so here we have option number 1, that is KBC. So where is K? KBC, this one, and the vertical opposite angle of this option is not possible. So I can say that this one is wrong. If I talk about second one, AYM, AYM, okay, and EYF and EYF. Yes, I can say these two angles are the pair of vertically opposite angles. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is that the lines whose point of intersection is point A are. So where is point A? Here. If I talk about option number A, that is BD. So where is BD? Here. And if I talk about AM, where is AM? Here. So if I extend this one, so this one is the point of intersection here. Okay, so I can say that option number A is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, that is if AB and BC are equal and are collinear, then which of the following options is true or false? Are collinear, and which of the, okay. Here we have question that is multiple correct questions. So here we have multiple answers. Okay. Now if I talk about option number 1, that is AB plus BC is equal to 3 times of AC. No, this one is wrong. If I talk about this one, so AB is equal to half of AC. Yes, this one is possible. If I talk about AC is equal to 2 times of BC. Yes, this one is also possible. If I talk about third one, that is AC. If I minus BC, then remaining part is AB. So here AB, I can say that option number B C and D are the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is we have given 325325 is a 6-digit number and it is divisible by. So here we have given options A, B, C, D, and we have to check which options, which number is completely divisible by. So here we have given number that is 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5. And this question is, here we have given multiple correct answers question. So I can say that here we have answers of 2 or more than 2. Okay. So here the unit digit that is we have 5. It means the number is completely divisible by 5. So here I can say that option number A is correct. And this number is completely also divisible by 7. So here I can say that option number B is also correct. If I talk about 11, so here first I add even places number. So here 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. If I subtract here 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 10, it means 0. It means that number is completely divisible also by 10. So I can say that here, so that number is completely divisible by 11. That number is completely divisible by 11. So here I can say that option number C is also correct. Now if I talk about 13, then we can say that that number is completely divisible by 13. So here option number D is also correct. So here A, B, C, D, all these options are correct. So now if I talk about next question, that is if the 4-digit number, here we have given 4-digit number that is 72D2. 72D2 is divisible by 6. That is, that number is completely divisible by 6. So if a number is completely divisible by 6, it means that number is completely divisible by 2 and 3. Then what are the possible values of D? So here we have to find the possible values of D. So we know if the last digit of any number is having even number, then the number is completely divisible by 2. So here we have 2, it means that number is completely divisible by 2. So if I talk the divisibility rule of 3, that is if the sum of all the digits of a number is completely divisible by 3, then the whole number is completely divisible by 3. So here I add all these numbers. So here 7 plus 2 plus D plus 2. So here I can say that 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So 11 plus D. Now we have to put the value of first 3. So if I put here, so 11 plus 3, that is we get 14. And 14 is not divisible by 3. So I can say that 3 is not possible. So now if I talk about the value of D is equal to 4. So I can say that 11 plus 4, that is here we get 15. And 15 is completely divisible by 3. So here I can say that option number B is correct. So now if I talk about C1, that is 11 plus 7, that is here we get 18, and 18 is also divisible by 3. So here I can say that option number C is also correct. Okay, so here we have required only for 1-digit number. So here 10 is 2-digit number, so this one is also not possible. So here B and C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Lizzie lives 9 miles from the post office and Grog lives 7 miles from the post office. Suppose that here we have a post office, right? And it lives 9 miles from the post office. Maybe this lives in this direction and this is the 9 miles. And maybe Grogs lives 7 miles from the post office, and for Grogs we have 2 conditions. Grogs can live from here again there, and Grogs can live from the here. So we have 2 conditions. So which of the following could be the distance from the Lizzie's house to Gorge's house? So the minimum distance we can say that 2 miles, and the maximum distance that is 9 plus 7, that is 16 miles. So the distance could be 2 miles to 16 miles. So 5 miles is possible. Yes, option number A is correct. 10 miles is also possible, and 15 miles is also possible. So here A, B and C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is choose pieces that can be arranged to make rectangle given below. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we have given 12 square. So count how many rectangles are we have to require here. So if I talk about first this one, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is not possible. So I can solve with the help of option number A, option number D, and option number C. So check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here A, C, and D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is when two straight lines intersect, then. So suppose that we have one straight line, this one, and again we have a straight line, and these two lines are intersect. Then the adjacent angles are complementary. So suppose that this is and this one is the adjacent angle, and these angles are not complementary, these angles are supplementary. So I can say this one is wrong and supplementary is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now opposite angles are equal. Yes, this one is also true. Vertically opposite angles are also equal. So I can say option number C is also correct. Now if I talk about second one, opposite angles are supplementary. No, this one is not possible. Okay, so here option number B and option number C is the correct answer. So now if you have any query, comment below, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 10 November 2024. Hope you did very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing term of the given series. So series is 2, 5, 10, 17. After 17 next is missing. So find the missing number of the given number series. So first find the pattern of the series. So pattern of the series is 2 plus 3, it means 5. Now 5 plus 5, it means 10. Now adding 7 in 10, then we got next number. So 10 plus 7, it means 17. Now similar 17 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, now similar plus 9, it means 17 plus 9, it means 26. So here missing number is 26. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. A, C, F. After F, next is missing. After missing, next is O. So find the pattern of the given series. So pattern of the series is A, C, F. After F, next is missing. After missing, next is O. So first find the pattern. So place value of A is 1. Place value of C is 3. Place value of F is 6. Place value of O is 15 in English alphabet. So pattern is 1 plus 2, it means 3. Now 3 plus 3, it means 6. Now adding plus 4, plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 6 plus 4, it means 10. So 10, it means J, because place value of J in English alphabet is 10. So missing alphabet is J. So here option B is the correct answer of this question, because 10 plus 5, it means 15, means O. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Which sequence of letter when placed at blank one after the other will complete the given letter series? So in such question, put the option in the question one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So now according to option A, first blank it means A, second blank it means C, third blank it means B, and fourth blank it means B. So sequence is B, A, C, B, C, B, 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 A, B, B. So no defined pattern found from option A. So it means option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B. So now according to option B, first blank it means B, second blank it means C, third blank it means A, and fourth blank it means A. So sequence is B, A, B, C, B, C, B, A, B, A, B, A. So no defined pattern found from option B. So option B also a incorrect option. Now taking option C. So according to option C, first blank it means C, second blank it means A, third blank it means B, and fourth blank it means again B. So sequence is B, A, C, C, B, A, B, 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 A, B, B. So no defined pattern found from option C. So here option C also incorrect option. Now taking option D. So now according to option D, first blank it means B, second blank it means A, third blank it means C, and fourth blank it means C. So sequence is B A B C B A B C B A B C. Yes, a defined pattern found from option D. So here option D is a correct option of this question. So here option D is a correct answer of this question because pattern is B A B C B A B C B A B C. So option D is a correct option of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. The time on the watch is 2:45. If the minute hand points to northeast, in which direction does the hour hand point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are four types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are four types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, time is 2:45. 2:45, it means time is 2:45. Time is 2:45. Now at 2:45, hour hand and the minute hand are almost an angle of 180 degree. So it means both hands are opposite to each other at 2:45. So time is 2:45 in mirror. So it means both hands are opposite to each other. So if minute hand, this is minute hand. Now minute hand shows the northeast direction. Minute hand points to northeast direction. So now opposite of northeast is southwest. Opposite of northeast is southwest. So our hand shows the direction of southwest. So it means our hand point to southwest. So here option A is the correct answer of this question because at 2:45 both hands are opposite to each other and minute hand shows the northeast direction. So now opposite of northeast is southwest. So our hand points to southwest. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure. Which mirror AB is placed on the right side of the figure? Find the mirror image of given figure. So in mirror image question, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So this part is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image, and mirror image of this part will look something like this, and mirror image of this part will look something like so. This is the correct mirror image of given figure. So now here option A is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Find the correct voter image of given figure. Find the voter image of given figure. So voter is always taken below the object. So here is voter. Now find the voter image of this figure. So the part of an object which is near to the voter, so it will remains near to the voter in the voter image. So voter image of this part will look something like this. So image of this part will look something like this, and vertical line remains same in the voter. Voter image of this part will look something like this. This is the correct voter image of given figure. So here option C is the correct voter image of given figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. In a row of certain person, Aman is sitting 140 position from the left end and 751 position from the right end. Find out the total number of person in that row. So position of Aman from the left is 140 and position of Aman from the right end is 751. 751st. So now find the total number of person in that row. So find the total number of person in that row. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So here left position of Aman is 140 and right position of Aman is 751 minus 1. So 140 plus 751, it means 891 minus 1. 891, it means 890. So here 890 person in that row. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. What mathematical operation should come at the place of question mark to make the equation correct? So equation is 2 question mark 6 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2 is equals to 11. So find the value of question mark. Find the value of question mark. So first solve the equation. So 2 question mark 6 minus 12 divided by 4. It means 3 plus 2 is equals to 11. Minus 3 plus 2. It means minus 1. So equation is 2 question mark 6 minus 1 is equals to 11. Now taking plus sign in this equation for this equation. So now equation is 2 plus 6 minus 1 is equals to 11. 2 plus 6, it means 8 minus 1, it means 7. 7 never equals to 11. So it means plus is incorrect for the question mark. So now taking minus sign for the question mark. So equation is 2 minus 6 minus 1 is equals to 11. Minus 6 minus 1, it means minus 7. 2 minus 7 is equals to 11. Minus 7 plus 2, it means minus 5 never equals to 11. So it means minus sign also incorrect for question mark. So now taking multiply sign for the question mark. So equation is 2 multiply 6 minus 1 is equals to 11. 2 multiply 6, it means 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. So 12 minus 1, it means 11 always equals to 11. So here option C, it means multiply sign, is the correct value of the question mark. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Multiply should come at the place of question mark. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. 59. In a queue of 50 people, A is at 30 position from the left and B is at 30 position from the right. Then how many people between A and B? So given is total number of person in this row is 50 and position of A from the left. So this is the left side of the row and this is the right side of the row. So position of A from the left is 30 and position of B from the right is also 30. Now find the number of person between A and B. So find the number of person between A and B. So now formula is left plus right minus total minus 2. Because find the number of mid person. So here is two condition. So condition number first, if total is greater than 2 left position of the first person plus right position of the second person, then number of mid person is equals to total minus left position plus right position of the second person. Now case number 2, condition number 2, if left plus right, sum of left plus right, sum of left and right, it means left of the first person and right position of the second person is greater than 2 total. So then number of mid person is equals to left plus right minus total minus 2. So in this question, total is equals to 50 and left plus right is equals to 30 plus 30, it means 60. So in this question, left plus right is greater than 2 total. So number of mid person is equals to, left of the A 30 plus right of the B is also 30 minus total, it means 50 minus 2. So 30 plus 30, it means 60 minus 50, it means 10 minus 2, it means 8. So there are 8% between A and B. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. Unfold the figure. So unfold the figure in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. It means each unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X because X represent unfolded paper. So first unfold the Z. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold this paper, then we get a image like this, and mirror image of this part will look something like this. So this is Y. Now unfold the Y in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. So Y will be unfolded in this direction. When unfold the Y, then we get a image like this. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option C is the correct answer of this question because C represents unfolded paper after cutting. So here C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. Any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.